Prime Minister wa India Narendra Modi amukirirwo githirikari muthenya wa umuthi thutha wa kuhurirwo tharuti ya rithathi 19 na thutha ucio guthurima ngadi ya gitio aura gikabu giake na atemania maundu maria arareheire bururi wa Kenya.
Kenya is a valued friend and a trusted partner of India. The bonds between the two countries are long-standing and rich.
Kiganda kiria kiari ngumo gio thondeki wa nguo kia Rift Valley Textile Industry riu ni gikugia riri mweru thutha wa thirikari ya India gwikira kirore kiraniro gia kuruta ciringi bilioni 2 na milioni 900 niguo gukirurumura. Oho kambuni na onjoria nini ni meregereirwo kugunika na kigina gia ciringi bilioni 1.5.
And for this we are truly grateful. The government of India has also promised to support Kenya in the areas of health. Today we discussed and approved a proposal forwarded by India to fully fund the development and equipping of a cancer hospital here in Kenya.
Thirikari ya Kenya no igite wiguithanio mweru wigie kurihira magoti thuguri gatagati ka mabururi maya meri. Hau kabere indo ciothe irarihagirwo igoti cikiuma bururi-ini umwe na cikiingira bururi-ini ungi undu uria uratumaga cikorwo na goro. Wiguithanio uyu mweru ni wa gutigirira ati indo imwe ciarihirwo igoti Kenya citirihagirwo igoti ringi India. Arimi a macani nio merigireirwo kugunika na wiguithanio uyu mweru. Ngirimiti ingi cikiranirwo ni hamwe na gutigirira ati Kenya aria mena passport cia gibarothi ni maritikigirio kuingira bururi-ini wa India hatari gwitio visa. Thirikari ciciari no ciguithanirie guteithaniriria kuhura njeki mbutu ciao cia mbiraru, guteithaniriria hari waki wa nyumba, undu umwe na kuiguithania honge cia guthurima ikiro na ithimi cia indo mabururi-ini meri niguo gutigirira ati indo iria cirendio ni cia ikiro iria ciagiriire.
I look personally forward to implementing our agreements fully. I look personally forward to working in close cooperation with Prime Minister Modi.
India is ready to share its development experiences and expertise and concessional credit and capacity to assist in Kenya's development objectives.
Thutha ucio Prime Minister wa India acokire athie university-ini ya Nairobi kuria agire na giikaro kia muingi.
We want to forge a lasting partnership that does not rely on old models and rules of engagement.
Thafari ya mbere ya Prime Minister wa India Narendra Modi ya githirikari gitaru-ini kia Africa irikire umuthi ni rari ya mabururi mana wa Mozambique, Afrika ya muhuro, Tanzania na wa Kenya. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.